Hey guys, I'm Jen from N3L Optics, and today I'm wearing the VONZIPPER Sizzle. Besides looking really cool, it's awesome. It has these really awesome earmuffs, and they actually snap on and off, really simple, so it makes it very practical, and you never know what weather you're going to be snowboarding or skiing in, so it gives you great functionality. They also have great airflow circulation so that you're not fogging, which is huge because you definitely need your vision on the mountain. But they're just super awesome, and I totally love them. So make sure this holiday you come into any N3L Optics and you check them out.